Well, the late AmaZulu King Goodwill Zwelithini will be laid to rest on Wednesday night. A memorial service will then take place on Thursday. Due to COVID-19 protocols, the Royal House has decided the remains of the King will not lie in state at the Royal Palace. Now, former President Jacob Zuma was among the dignitaries who visited the Royal Household in KwaNongoma in KZN yesterday. He described the passing of King Zwelithini as a great loss to the nation at large.
Silo sethu sazibuza ngamunye ngamunye ukuthi sizosala sibe yini na noma okudaliwe kwanqunywa uNkulunkulu ungeke wakuphikisa kodwa sithe ngeke singakhali sizwakalise ubuhlungu benhliziyo zethu zokhala kanye nenzukulo. Siyayikhumbula indlela isilo besisiphethe ngayo sonke. Bekuyinkosi efudumele ekwenza uma unayo uzizwe uphephile, uzizwe uphelele. Esifundisa ukuthi uma umuntu kufanele ukuthi benzani ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uma ke sithi sehlelo ifele imnyama asisho nje ngoba sisebenzisa amagama, sisho ngoba ngempela sehlelo ifele imnyama kuphuke umuthi omkhulu obumthunzi wethu okuqasha uma libalele noma lina siqashe phambi kwawo sithole ukuhlokomala.